big. $4,000. Let's go to the second explosion.
All I have to do is double this 7 times and I make $1 million.
Welcome to explosion number 2. All you have to do is make it from one end of the map to the other. And before we start, I need you to put on this fireproof suit.
Okay.
Hey, trust us, it's fireproof.
When you walk through this door, you'll be on fire, which means if you touch one of these pieces of TNT, the entire world explodes and you lose everything.
Okay, I just walked through this flaming door.
He is on fire. Be careful.
Oh, hey, chill. Don't accidentally light the TNT.
Okay.
One block of TNT blows up. This entire planet explodes.
What psychopath thought of this?
Look how narrow this pyramid is, bro. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
This is too close for comfort.
I am going to do this for all those people in your comments that were laughing at when I died last time. Do you know how many of those there were?
As Nolan would say, the stakes